Hello, friends. Wait, what are we making again?
Chocolate peanut butter oatmeal cookies.
We need a few things.
Let's see. First, we're going to add all these oats, 2/3 of a cup.
There you go.
Okay. Do you know how to crack an egg?
No. How?
Do you need a grown-up's help?
Oh, sure. Maybe I can do it all by myself, maybe.
We'll do it together.
Yeah.
Crack it in here. Good job! You only made a little mess. Okay, so keep your hands just like that. And then I will help you clean them up. Now we pour the egg in.
Careful.
Okay, what's next?
You know what? How
What's
do
that?
you open this? Well, I don't know what.
Do you know what that is? Tell the audience.
Oh, is it cinnamon?
Yeah.
So we're adding cinnamon right next.
That's pretty good.
Maybe some drizzle a little bit more. Maybe we run out a little.
No, we need
But
some
that's
cocoa
that's
powder.
bartender. That's silly bartender.
Bartender?
That's what they just say.
Okay, take a scoop. What is this?
I don't know what. I don't know what is this. Chocolate.
Cocoa powder.
Cocoa powder.
Okay, one more scoop. Whoa. Okay, keep that spoon.
Now what? Do you stir it up?
Stir it. Now a dash of baking soda. Drop it in.
Look.
Here, this one too.
Look.
Oh! Am I falling on the TV? Okay, one more scoop. Okay, here. Put some in. 3 spoonfuls. What is that?
Salt.
Nope, not salt. What is it?
I don't know what. No, sugar.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure you get a
That's good.
thing. Ah! You steal my...
Okay, let's see. And then maybe have a grown-up help you stir.
I think we need just milk. Don't forget that milk.
Do it together.
Whoops. That gets me the heebie-jeebie.
Tony?
Start!
It's sticky. It's okay to be sticky. Yeah, don't eat it. It has egg in it.
When we're done, look.